In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote Web Clipper. The OneNote Web Clipper is a handy browser add-on that allows you to save web pages directly into your OneNote notebook. Whether you're gathering research, saving recipes, bookmarking articles, or collecting ideas, this tool helps you organize everything in one convenient place, accessible across all your devices. To get started, first install the Web Clipper from your browser's extension or add-on store. Simply search for OneNote Web Clipper and add it to your browser. Once installed, you'll notice the OneNote icon appear in your toolbar. This icon acts as your shortcut for capturing content from the web. When you find a page you want to save, click the OneNote Web Clipper icon. A small panel will appear, giving you a preview of what you're about to clip. This panel allows you to select exactly how the content will be captured, ensuring you save only what you need in the most useful format. Next, choose your clipping mode. Full page saves the entire page, including images, layout, and even ads, which is perfect when context and design matter. Article mode cleans up the page to focus on the main text and primary images, removing distractions for easier reading later. Region mode lets you draw a box around a specific part of the page, ideal for capturing a paragraph, chart, or image without the rest of the content. Bookmark mode saves a compact card with the page title, thumbnail, and short summary, making it perfect for quick references. As you select a mode, use the preview to make sure it captures what you want. Once satisfied, choose the destination section in your OneNote notebook. OneNote organizes notes into notebooks, sections, and pages, and the Clipper will create a new page in the section you select. Pick a section that aligns with your topic so your clip can be easily found later. If you maintain multiple notebooks for work, school, or personal projects, double-check the notebook and section names to ensure you're saving to the intended location. Finally, click the Clip button. The content will sync to OneNote and appear as a new page in your chosen section. Sync usually completes quickly, but if the page is large or heavy with images, give it a moment to finish processing. Once synced, your clip is accessible across all devices using OneNote. That's all there is to it. Install the Web Clipper, click the icon when you find content worth saving, select the right mode, choose the appropriate section, and click Clip. With these steps, your web research and notes stay organized, accessible, and ready whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.